contribute to the motion which has been placed before the House, and also the names which have been vetted and brought before the House. Honorable Speaker, from the onset, I want to say that I will congratulate the appointment committee for the good work which they did in appointing the members who have been placed before us this morning. Honorable Speaker, I'm also looking at the chairman, and I want to say that I'm convinced that this is a bright guy and is above integrity on the grounds that looking at what the way he was answering questions as from page 6. Honorable Speaker, I want to believe that he was not coached, and the way he answered those questions were very right, and I will also support the same. Looking at page 9, Honorable Speaker, the question that was asked, if appointed, what will the Kisii County residents expect from you? One thing I realize here, he came up with the word fairness, and I believe he will stand with that. And these are the kind of persons we want to work in our county. And more so, when it comes to those appointments, I believe and trust that when he said he will be fair to the county when it comes to employment, it means that each and every ward in this county will benefit when it comes to appointments. More so, when we are at, when there is an advertisement of employment of nurses in the whole county, I believe it will ensure that each ward at least has a person who has been employed from there as a nurse, a clinical officer, or anything like that in the health department. Honorable Speaker, also looking down, when we say how, when he was asked about how shall you control the ballooning wage bill in Kisii County, he had already answered to the same, which means this person has, in fact, he has knowledge of what is happening around him. And he answered clearly. He will try first to start from the human resource to know exactly what is the problem and how he will start solving it. This is a person who, in fact, knows what he was doing. Secondly, coming to the secretary. On looking at, that is around page 13, I think. Looking at page 12, not 13, at page 12, this is a person looking at him when his employment record. It is a person who knows how the county government is working, because he's from 2021, 2011 up to 2024. In fact, even 2025, he has been acting as a board secretary. He knows what is supposed to be done in the executive side or in the public service, on what is to be done. I go ahead to support these people as being people who can assist this county to move far much ahead because of the experience they have. I support the names as brought before the House. Thank you, Honorable.
Yes, Honourable Member for Bogeka, Richmond.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for also giving me